Okay. So we are live, guys. So hello, everyone. We are here again. And we usually do this once a month to meet with you guys and connect with inspiring business owner in our community to give you insights on what we are doing. But before that, let me introduce myself. Shani Fatima from Alberta, Canada. My second name is Titoy, and I am doing this business part-time. This business opportunity gave me an opportunity, like a path that I was able to transition from working 2 to 3 shifts in the hospital, from working full-time hours to multiple jobs. So I have more time with my family. And here are my co-team members. They'll introduce themselves.
Hello. Thank you again, Sis Maita, for coming. And sa mga Bisaya din ha, sa taga Mindanao, maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyo. I'm Imelda Arbili from New York. I work here as a pharmacist, and I joined this business because I wanted to have a comfortable retirement while also pursuing my passion for travel. So, and also to help moms out there also and families that need help. So anyway, hope you stay tuned until the end of this interview and get value to this chit chat that we have. All right, stay tuned till the end.
Hola a todos. Hello, everyone. Mi nombre es Jessie. My name is Jessie. I'm a nurse by profession. I live in Ontario, Canada, and I've been part of this amazing online business for 3 years almost, a little bit more. So I start this business. I just want to let you know, guys, a little bit because I was looking for financial and time freedom. That's something that I think we're all looking for. So I did my research and I understood that this business was my path to that goal. So that's what I enjoy in this business. So yeah, join us here for us a little bit. Give us a little bit of time. We will give you our impression on this business, and you can make a informed decision if this business is for you. So keep a little longer with us.
Let's stay tuned.
Right. Hello, mabuhay! This is Perlita de Guzman from Oshawa, Ontario, Canada, originally from the Philippines, and a nurse also by profession, and of course, a proud digital business owner. And I am so passionate about this business. Why? Because this is the holy grail that I found that would eventually make my life so easy, not just on my retirement, but as Sis Imelda said, on travel. In fact, I have two travels coming up this year, and I cannot say more. I cannot say yes to more because I'm so fully booked, all because of this online business. And thank you very much, Sis Maita, for being with us today. I am so excited when I heard that you would be our guest for today. Stay tuned, viewers. You'll learn from us today.
Yeah, thank you, ladies. Thank you, ladies. So yes, so we are so honored, and like hearing her story from one of the interview that I watched with her, I was like crying already. Like so, I was saying like how inspiring is she? Like, she's dealing with like most of us, like we are all like dealing at household work, right? But for her, oh my God, two special kids, special needs kids, they having to take care of that and having to take to manage the household work. Like I'll be like, oh my God, I cannot even. Sometimes I will just even say to my son, just leave me alone for a few minutes after coming to work. But she does that, and she still thinks how she could help her husband at home. And then if she can manage it, if she can do it, why can we, right? Why are we having a lot of excuses? So I am so honored, and we are so honored, inspired to have her here and share, and how and let her share how she does it, how she's succeeding in this business. So let's welcome, guys, and learn how she does. Sis Maita from Nevada. And one good thing that I learned from her, she's an immigrant, and her first job here in the States is she's a singer. I didn't know you sing, Sis Maita. So that's a fun fact for her, guys.
We're in the right
Yeah.
place, Las
Fun
Vegas.
fact, yeah.
So welcome,
Yeah.
Sis Maita, and like
Welcome.
yeah, if you could just say something or briefly about yourself. So
All right. Greetings, everybody. Thank you for having me. I'm so honored to be here. I'm so honored to be here. I really like sharing my story to inspire other people, especially moms like me.
mhm.
So, just a brief background. Again, my name is Maita Castillo. I'm originally from Tao, Batangas. I'm a Batangueño, yeah. But I would say Tubong, Batangas, because my mom and dad are both from Batangas. But I actually grew up in Manila, like my whole life. I'm in Manila. And now I'm
Oh,
based here at Henderson, Nevada. It's just like 5 minutes away from Las Vegas. So I
Oh, 5 minutes.
Las Vegas,
Party
but I'm
time.
actually at Henderson. Yeah. And I hold a degree of fine arts, major in advertising. I'm
Oh.
formerly a graphic designer by profession in the Philippines, and then migrated here in America. I've been here for over 25 years, I think. Yeah. And fun fact, yeah, like most Filipino, we start with any job that we can get, right? So as Sis Fatima mentioned, my first job was I was a singer in a Filipino Thai restaurant in Queens, New York.
Oh, you live in Queens?
Yeah. And then we moved to New Jersey and moved here in Las Vegas. And I worked different kinds of jobs.
Maybe you can
But
give us a
now I
sample.
am a full-time stay-at-home mom, and I'm an entrepreneur. I run two online businesses here at the comfort of my home I live here with my husband for 25 years, and I was blessed with two special and wonderful boys. They're adult now, so it's kind of easier for me right now to run my business.
wow.
Yeah, that's my background.
Wow.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sis Maita, for coming to us. I know it's like, I think like it's not last minute, but still like you gave us. It wasn't a big like time, but you said yes, and you said yes right away when you um I we invited you. So yes.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
So thank you again, Sis Maita, for coming. And as our first question of the evening, as a mom juggling household duties, how does this business impacted your life and your family?
All right. So as I've mentioned, I have two special need child. Since they were diagnosed, like I dedicated my whole life with caring for them. Before the business, my world re- revolves around them. All the things I do is about them.
Mm-hmm.
That I didn't realize at first that I kind of lost my self identity and my self worth. I didn't realize that not until like probably couple of months that I'm already here in the business. I'm starting to enjoying it, and I started finding myself back. The happy me. Oh, now I'm gonna make it.
Go
I
ahead,
remember
sis.
it. I
We all
remember
have
it
those
like
moments.
probably second, third month that I'm in the business that I'm so happy. I'm like, oh, this is the old me. This is me, the excited and motivated me. So that's number one. And then number two is that the business transformed me to a better version of me.
Mhm.
And third thing is that the business gave me hope that I could be so much more than a stay-home mom, than just cleaning, just taking
Mhm.
care of my kids. The business showed me the all the possibilities. It made me dream bigger. It made me like I had a bigger purpose. I found my worth. Like I'm valuable. I can give value to other people. So the what I have become reflect to my life and to my family. So that's the impact of the business in my life and my family. Yeah.
Huge impact, indeed.
Thank you.
Yes.
Positive.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much. So
Yeah, because
inspiring.
sometimes
Mhm.
we lose ourselves, especially with you, right? Like, oh my God, like I can never, I don't know if how would I do it, and this I'll be like, oh, like focus on them, but you
Yeah.
are, yeah, you are one of the leaders here in the in our community, and you've been serving a lot too. So yeah, thank you so much for your servants,
Yeah.
yeah, your
Thank
service. So
Indeed,
So
yeah.
yeah,
Thank you.
it's just amazing how we all came for our own path, and we all have difficult in our life. And the good
Mhm.
thing is like how you move from there. And it's amazing how you say when you say the word hope. It's amazing to see how many people just
Mhm.
this business how give you that hope, how give you
Mhm.
that way of thinking, that change of mind, to dream for something bigger. So
mhm.
I just it's just different. It's something how he different this business, no, and how can change life.
Yeah.
But I do have a question for you.
Okay.
So how do as a mother, like I'm not a mother yet, and I just seeing your testimony, and inspire me. So I like, how do you stay focused and productive while doing the business and with the kids around? And now I know they are now bigger, they're not like kids
Yeah.
anymore, little ones, but can you share like a strategy and how you learn and how you implemented having kids and doing the business at the same time?
Okay. So all the strategies and tips that I am going to share, I've learned this from joining our challenges,
Yes, yeah.
reading books, and from our trainings and meetings. So number one that I've learned from Janet Mai is who, like before you go to bed, you think who and what do you want to become the next day. All of us are wearing too many hats.
Mhm.
Like me, do I want to be do I want to be a present mom? Do I want to be a loving or angry wife to my husband? Do I want to be a good daughter? Do I want to be a caring sister? Do I want to be an effective mentor? A good listener to a friend? We are wearing so many hats. So
Mhm.
the day before, you decide what do you want to be, so you could focus your goal on that. So that's number one. And then number two, set a goal. When you wake up, set your goals, the things you need to do. If you want, you could write it down. Sometimes I do, but most of the time it's already in my head that what I need to do. Like if I decide, oh, I have to work on something for my kids, or I have to work something for my business.
Mhm.
So it depends on who I want to be that day. So you set your goals, And when you make a list, choose to tackle things that you could finish. So, at the end of the day, you achieve something. You already put a check mark on your to-do list, right?
Yeah.
Because for me, that motivates me. Oh, I've done this, I've done this, done this. Little things like, okay, I already put my kids in the bus, check. That's I'm a present mom, yeah. Then I make my husband a coffee, check.
Yeah.
you know Small things. So tackle the things that you could finish, so you don't get frustrated. But if you this things comes up, if you decided to be uh just relaxing for the day, then so be it, right? That's
Yeah.
the beauty of our business and being my own boss. Like, I could decide on who I want to be. And then number three, set a specific time to do your work, to work on your business.
Mhm.
Possible, stick to it. um for me, I choose to work on my business when there's less distraction, when the kids are already at school. I already finished my cooking my lunch. So my work hour is between 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, and then
Ooh.
the kids come home. Then I could not work on my business. And then number four, sorry, I have a cheat sheet here, so
It's
I don't
okay.
skip
Yeah.
anything. Yeah.
It's okay.
And number four, automate repetitive tasks. Things like we could schedule our posting, or you could automate your response for inquiries on Messenger. And then in my life, like, I could automate my paying my bills, or I could even automate when is the coffee gonna brew.
Yeah.
When is the time to brew the coffee for my husband, right? So, something that you could take away from your time. And then this will allow us to have extra time to do more important things on our business. And then number five is ask for help, delegate tasks. So an example for this on my business, like, I volunteer on our drop in Zoom. So we delegate tasks. Okay, I will do invite for this Friday, or I'll present this. We delegate the task. And then I also have a group of accountability partners, and that we do a series of interview lives, like what you do, ladies. So we also delegate tasks. Like, I'm
Mhm.
more on the doing the creative part. Like, they call me the director. Because I'm the one in charge of
Technical.
the banner, yeah, or the presentations, like that. And then the our other accountability partner will be the one to invite the guests, things like that. So, and then in the house, I asked my husband for help, or one of my son, if I have a like back to back meeting or interviews like this. I would tell my husband, "Oh, I need help. I cannot cook dinner. You're in charge for dinner tonight." you know. So in that way, we could focus more on the things that we need to do. And then lastly, of course, take a break. It's important to give yourself time for a break so we don't get burnt out. You know, it's okay to relax and not do anything, but don't forget to post, even just one post, right? But just relax so you'll maintain the energy and the focus. So yeah, so those are the strategies that I've learned and implemented in my life and the business too.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, and yes, sis Maita, I am so interested really to ask you. Before, when I'm watching your go live, I've always wanted to,
Uh-huh.
just chat with you, and then I just kind of lose myself, and then I always forget to chat with you because I wanted to ask you this particular question, and I'm so glad that you're here. Then I can ask you, and then everybody else would learn from you. And I don't know about you guys, the rest of you guys, but sis Maita, before I joined this business, I was so nervous because I am not a tech savvy person. I am in my
Mhm.
50s and computer is not my world. As opposed to you, you have this marketing background, this web design
Yeah.
background. You're all familiar with these things, right? But believe it or not, when I joined the business, I started the training. I was so amazed because this
Yes.
non-tech savvy person became like for me like I feel like I became an expert because from
Mhm.
day to day to day I learned from each day and from each and every one of you guys, especially when I join our meetings or whatever, these Zooms or whatnot. But what I am asking you, I'm curious about, based on your experience, since you already have this background on marketing, web design, and in all these technology, do you still find that our training? How do you find the training? Your experience in the training, do you still find it so hard or so chicken for you? Do you still learn from it, or it's just a walk in the park for you?
All right. Um, it took me over a month, believe it or not, even if I already kind of familiar with it. It took me over a month to finish my training. It's because I'm doing it at my own pace.
But
You know,
still,
I
over a
do
month
it
is oh my god, it's phenomenal.
well because for me it's long because some of
Because
our
you're
business
yeah.
partners are like will do it a week or 2 weeks, right?
I
So
know.
for me it took me over a month because I did it at my own pace.
Mhm.
When I was doing my training, I was doing it after I put my kids to bed. So there's no distraction and I could absorb them all.
Mhm.
And I found it easy to follow and easy to understand. So recall I don't recall me asking for help to my mentor or coach because I just follow it step by step. And then I apply what I've learned immediately right away.
Mhm.
After I read it, if they say, okay, post this or check this like this, you know, it's easy to follow and easy to understand. You just don't miss a step. Just do it step by step. And I've learned everything I need, the marketing tools and the marketing skills that I need to learn, enable for me to start my online business. And then I continuously learn with
Yeah.
our weekly mastermind.
Mhm.
And if you're kind of having a trouble, but I believe you won't if you follow it step by step. We have a mentor and a coach and the community that will support us and guide us, if
24/7.
whenever we need help. Yeah. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
I agree.
I don't recall me calling my mentor and coach, because
Oh yeah.
it really is easy to follow.
Yeah, that's nice.
Just you really have to sit down, focus, give time to finish your training. Yeah.
So I hope those who are watching and listening are being encouraged to start,
Mhm.
because it's not really that scary as you think.
Yeah.
The
So
training, I
I
mean.
think we're all proud about it, about our
Yes.
training. We're just we wear a medal when we talk about our
Yeah.
training because
Oh,
it's so
yes.
good, easy to follow, step by step videos that you can pause and take your time. There is no time frame. You can take your time doing it.
Yes.
And the good thing is always outdating. That it's not like
Yes.
it's something that 5 years ago that doesn't work anymore. We
Mhm.
always outdated it. So you always get
Yes.
fresh information and you
Yeah,
always up to date. So
yeah,
and
Mm-hmm.
you can do it on your own language. You can do the
yeah,
translate, and
Yeah.
there are communities out there that we have. They can then able to translate the training to on their own language. You have your own
mhm.
documents, your videos. So it's just amazing how this
Yeah.
training and how good it is because it's a step by step, and it's your business. So you take your time.
Yeah,
So
Yeah.
it's something really good
Mhm.
that we're always talking about it because we want to know to all the people, our viewers are watching us, how good it is.
Mhm.
You don't get that there.
Yeah.
And one more thing that I want to just throw out there. It's like the training, that's it. It's not like something that you have to be paying every 3 months or every year. That
Yes.
is information that you get there
yeah,
24/7 all the time. There's
mhm.
not like you
Mhm.
For
have
a
something you have to
lifetime.
renew it. Like
Yeah,
it's
Yeah.
that's the training and that's the value and you get it all.
yeah.
So yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, and I've
Yeah.
been learned like too in our in our meetings with Zooms with our leaders, like some leaders paid how much, like maybe
A
four
lot of
figure,
money. Yeah.
yeah, so much money to get our training, but we already have access to it. That's why this like business, like people are still like skeptical, and that's normal, right? But if they could see it, and that's why we are here to share this insight on how we could do it, like how Sis Maita can do it while taking care of the family, taking care of the running the household. And yes, she's a tech savvy, but like for us, we managed to do it, and the training is there. And she's still,
Mhm.
like she said, like 1 month, like doing the training, and she's still, that's too long for her. But
That was
Yeah,
impressive.
no.
yeah, that's
That's
impressive already for
phenomenal.
us. But yeah, but
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
yeah, so because you can do it, that's at your own pace, at your own time, and it's accessible. And
And they build your website too for you.
Yeah.
yeah, like there's already like people doing that. You don't need to
And
pay
since it's
a
video
plan.
based, you could go over and over. Yeah.
Yeah,
Pause. Pause.
yeah. So and
Like
like
rewind.
and our community is so global that you could do it while you live in US or in Canada or UK. We have a lot of business partners in UK, Australia.
Mhm.
So what else is your excuse, right? I am working, like Imelda. We are all working here. Maitha is working as
Mhm.
a mom, like staying, and we're all busy, but we didn't made our excuse this our work, our excuse. We
Yeah.
learn how our this proven business is, and now we are helping others to the same. So let us help you, let us guide you. If you are ready to take this leap, or you are curious and open to learning about how this business works, click on our NFR link. And tonight it's Thursday, and we have a free info session running at 6 p.m. MST, 8 p.m. EST. Just register or click an NFR link to get access to our that free info session. Do it soon so you can save your spot, and then go from there, and then make your decision if this opportunity works for you too. It's working for other people. If you could just see the community, our private group, and how many people are already quitting their jobs, paying off their
Mhm.
debts, traveling. You can take this business literally if while traveling, and you could do it your own pace. It's working while you're doing groceries, while running your errands, while you're working. So
Mhm.
yes, skepticism is normal, but check it out. Take action. Do you have
Mhm.
anything else to say, Sis Maita, like to add or like just give us
And
an
advice
inspiration? Yeah.
All
to those
right.
viewers.
Just a short note, just a
Yes.
short note. If you are feeling tired and unhappy on what you're doing right now, the universe is giving you a sign that you need a change. So take that leap of faith. There's no harm on trying. You'll just gain a lot, when you watch our webinar. So you'll learn from it that what's the worst could happen, right?
Yeah.
That's
That's
it. Thank you so much,
that's
everybody,
just
and
like the
hope
beauty
to
of
see
this
you in the
business.
inside. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the
Yeah, and
beauty
I
of this
have
business.
I
Yeah.
have something, Sis Maita. How about you come back with us and then we start karaoke live?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, you give
We
us a
will contact
sample.
you
You're
back.
singing sample. How about
Yeah,
that?
can you give us a sample, like hot song?
Tell her to come
A
to
quick
Mexico so
sample.
we could she could give you a sample there.
Oh, are you coming?
Sing for us.
Are you
Just see
going?
me on my profile. There's a lot of
No, I haven't
singing
sing
there on
you
Oh
video.
really?
singing. Really? I
Yeah,
haven't
Oh,
seen you
she's
singing.
dancing, she's singing there.
Only
So.
only dancing. I see you cooking, dancing, shopping, but never singing. I said, what the heck? Where is the singing? You have? You have lots? Okay, but next time
I
I will be
do,
knocking on your
but
door.
because
Really?
lately I've been sick. I've lost my voice for since
COVID?
the convention here in Las
Convention.
Vegas.
Yeah.
I've never
Ah,
my voice never came back.
it will come
oh,
back with a vengeance.
Yeah. So guys, come join us. Come join this crazy team and see
yes,
what this opportunity will lead you. Do you have any other
yeah,
things to add, ladies, or
yeah.
anything?
It's
No,
just like this. I know we all have our reason why we join, right? Mostly financially, but you never imagine that this business gives you more than just financial freedom. Like Sis Maita said, it gave her hope. Finding yourself. There's so much that this business has given us. As a person, grow yourself as a person, and to be caring to others as well, knowing that a lot of people there needs help, and you can be one of those people that as an instrument. So join
Yeah.
us and have fun while
have fun.
earning money.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I just want to say something. If you're struggling in your life and you want to change, you want to change the way you're living, the way that you're earning, the way you're thinking. So just why not? It's free information. You don't lose nothing.
Yeah.
I always say yes to information. And one that say, "Oh, I will give you this advice or this information," I always take it. No, so why not? Register. Doesn't matter where you register, which link you pick. So register, watch the free webinar, get all the information, and then decide it. Make a
Yeah,
change in your life so you can change your life and you can change the
Yeah.
life of the people around you, your
other
family
people.
members, your loved ones. So, and that's what we did. We believe on
Absolutely.
this business. We went into it, and we're still here, and we're sharing with you our experience. And
Mhm.
yeah, we're just in love, and we
Yes.
want more people to come in because we want to change life. So thank you for watching us, and send us a message as registers, and we will get in touch with you. We send you emails, and we will tell you what the next step for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And my
All
last
right.
word is remember, viewers, skepticism is normal,
We
totally
were we were
humanly
all.
normal. All of us, that is purely normal human behavior to be skeptical on everything, on anything, on anyone. But if I were you, just take a leap of faith instead of you living the rest of your life thinking what could have been.
Yes.
right?
Mhm.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Maita. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
Yeah,
you,
yes,
everybody.
Thank
Maita,
you. Thank
thank
you,
you
Maita. Thank
so
you.
much. And yeah, you are
Thank
so
you, thank
inspiring to
you.
our community, to like all moms in the world. Thank you so much. And again, like yeah, we really, you're such an inspiring. I don't know how you're doing it, but you're doing so good. So again, everyone, thank you
Mhm.
for coming, and then hopefully we'll see you again next month, and hopefully we provided you another episode or another insights on how this business can work for you too. So register, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Thank you again, everyone.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you,
Bye.
Maita.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
everyone.
team.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Thank
Bye.
ladies.
you.